Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Dell 22 series monitor, and now I can show you how to fix the problem when your monitor can't identify the input source. So, for example, as you can see here, I have here I have input source, the USB-C from my MacBook, and as you can see here, USB Type-C is working, it's great. But now if I will change the input source to HDMI, for example, and then I want to switch to USB-C again, and now my monitor okay, so now it's identifying my MacBook, but sometimes it can't identify the input source. So what you need to do in this situation? So firstly, you need to enable auto select. So to do it, firstly click on one of the navigation buttons, then click settings. Here choose input source, click on the right arrow, go down and enable auto select. Great. Now go back, and now you need to reconnect your device to your monitor. For example, I have MacBook now, and I just need to plug out the USB-C cable from my device and then plug in again. Great, that's it. Sometimes, of course, you need to reload your device or just disable and enable it again, and that's it. It will resolve your problem. And of course, sometimes Windows laptops have no USB-C output, so sometimes the problem is in your laptop, in your output device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.